we're finally here in Thailand. Okay. Kasi lipong na laban. Follow nyo lang yung sign na yan. So we will use GoTime. Itong ATM na gagamitin namin for withdrawal. Uy, tabang! Other banks. So we will try this AIS. Struggle is real. Yung famous na laging pinipicturan. Hey, let's go! Hey besties, we're finally here in Thailand. Gikabuhi jugosin. Pero murag na okay na ako gamay. Buya. Kaya lakon ko. So right now we are on our way sa immigration. After that, kukunin namin yung aming check-in luggage. Sawadee ka. Sawadee ka. Okay. Sawadee ka. Bisan lipong na laban. Yay! Hi! Okay. Hey besties, so we're almost there na dyan. Mga 90 meters na lang. Ayan o. So follow nyo lang yung sign na yan. Yung arrival para doon na makikita nyo kung nasan ang immigration. So guys, if first time nyo dito sa Thailand, sobrang haba talaga yung lalakaran nyo sa airport mismo as in. Pero don't you worry, marami namang walkalator. So it's still very, very convenient. Wrong info, 180 meters pa pala. Ayan o, 180 meters. Grabe. Ang haba pa rin guys. Tingnan nyo yung walkalator nila. Sobrang haba as in. Ang laki ng airport nila guys, as in. Tingnan nyo. So yan. Are you okay? Okay. Ayan na guys, yung immigration dyan. So, later na lang. Bye! Hey besties! So, we are done na sa immigration. And right now, we are about to get our check-in luggage. Yan. So, counter 15. I believe counter 15. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! So, by the way besties, it's currently 1:20 AM dito sa Thailand. And since, behind 1 hour? No? Since Thailand is behind 1 hour, so sa Philippines, it's around 2 AM already. Ha?
1 AM.
Behind mo ka ang Bangkok? 1 AM naman. So, dead battery na. And by the way, besties, nag-book pala kami ng accommodation near the airport kasi, yan yung pinagstayhan namin before nung pumunta ako dito sa Thailand with my friends. So, yan, I just wanna visit there again. Sure! And take you there with me. Overnight lang naman dun. And then, so tomorrow, no, since June 7 na ngayon, so later, mga afternoon or before lunch, so pupunta na tayo doon sa ating accommodation talaga mismo sa Bangkok City na. So yan. And what I love din kasi sa pinagstayhan namin before is free pick up and free meal or breakfast. Kita ko na ang aking luggage. So we're trying to find pa. We're waiting na lang sa aming second check-in luggage. So, ayun. Ayan. So, nandyan na yung aming check-in luggage. Nakuha na namin ang aming check-in luggage. Now, mag-withdraw na kami para may internet na kami kasi we will contact pa sa Airbnb. Kasi free pick up tayo ngayon. Hey besties, so by the way, mag-withdraw kami using our go time. So yan yung ginamit namin doon sa Taiwan, di ba? So ngayon, yan din gagamitin namin dito sa Thailand. So we will use go time. We are planning to withdraw sa K-Bank. Yung green na ATM kasi based sa mga videos na nakita ko, yan yung parang advice or most sa mga videos na nakita ko is yan yung parang laging wini-withdrawhan ng mga tao. And maganda daw yung palitan. And by the way, I heard na maganda rin daw yung GCash card. So kung meron kayong GCash card, then go for it. Pero sa amin, since wala kaming GCash card, we only have GoTime, so we will use GoTime. GoTime, baka naman, char. So, ayun siya guys, oh, yung green na ATM. I don't know, di ko kabaw kung ma-zoom ba. Ano di ma-zoom. Ayan siya guys, oh, right after sa check-in carousel. So, ayan. Yan yung ATM na gagamitin namin for withdrawal. Yan, yung green na yan. So, ayan. Yan yung K-Bank ang pangalan or Kasikorn Bank. So, ayan. Mag-video na tayo, guys. Using our go time. Ano sa muna yun?
K+.
K+?
Ito mo.
Or other banks?
Other banks.
Uy, tabang. Other banks? Ay, dili. Dili lagi. Oh, wow. Wait sa guys, ha? We're trying to figure out kung ano yung sabi.
Okay.
Ano sa English dili, uy? Uy, English? Mga false alarm tayo ngayon, guys.
I-insert siya siguro yung card.
Di mo ito kakuan.
Enter your pin.
Huh?
Please enter your pin.
Lagi.
Ayan, naka-play mo lang yun.
Oo. Try lang. So, yung maximum na withdrawal pala guys, oh, is 30,000 baht. Ay, 20 or days at a time.
20.
Hey besties, so nakapag-video na tayo. Yay! So happy na nakapag-video na tayo using GoTime. So later, i-check namin kung magkano yung nabawasan sa aming ATM. Woo! Laban. Hey besties, so we are done na withdrawing. So ngayon, maghahanap tayo ng SIM card. Actually, hindi tayo nakabook sa Klook or anything. So dito lang tayo bibili. So yan. Right after sa mga check-in carousel. So we will try this AIS kasi I guess ito yung ginamit namin before. Ito yung mga nila guys.
For how many days?
7 days. Unlimited data?
Unlimited data is one. Max speed 5G unlimited for entries.
Oh,
Yes.
600.
15 gig.
Ah,
So, mali ka.
ikaw unsa may maayo?
Pero sige, ako dili sa man.
Ha?
Gusto ko pagkutang na 8 gig eh. 15 gig.
Kana lang sa tanong?
Okay. Or very good.
Or kani? What's the difference between these two?
After 15 GB, this one got unlimited 1 Mbps, but this one unlimited 384.
Oh, so kani 5G already, then this one.
Internet speed.
Oh,
Ayan.
sige go. This one?
This one is
2.
Passport number 4, please.
Hey besties, so ayan, tapos na tayong mag-reload or tapos na tayong makakuha ng internet. So yung kinuha namin is 399 baht, tapos 8 days siya. And then, parang hindi siya unli. Hindi siya unli, mga 15 gig lang yata. So I guess that's enough na for us kasi meron namang wifi or internet connection dun sa accommodation talaga. So magagamit lang natin yung internet mismo if we are out and about sa ating accommodation. So yan, papunta na kami sa pick-up point. Ayan, we are on our way na sa 4th floor since yung arrival is sa 2nd floor eh. So yan, pupunta tayo sa... Uy! Okay! Ako po! So yan, papunta tayo sa 4th floor. Yan. Ang lawak ng airport nila guys, as in. Tapos, to think ha, it's already 1 AM at sobrang daming tao talaga as in. Ayan, so we are already in the 3rd floor. So, papunta na tayo sa 4th floor. Let's go! Struggle is real. Oh, struggle is real. Ayan. So, nasa 4th floor na kami guys. And, look kung anong nahanap namin. Ayan. Yung famous na laging pinipicturan kapag nandito sa Taiwan. Thailand di ay. Kapag nandito sa Thailand. Pero gi-close siya. Oh no! Forward. Ayan guys, yung behind the scenes. Nice, nice, nice. Oh. Amazing! Guys, bili na kayo ng tripod. So useful. Click the link on the description box below. Ayan, so tapos na kaming mag-picture guys. So, let's go, let's go, let's go. Punta na tayo dun sa gate 3 on 4th floor. So, let's go. So, again guys, free pick up pala tong nakuha namin. But it is very near sa airport. Ito kasi yung accommodation na pinagstayhan namin before when I was with my friend. Hi mga bayot, if you're watching, Char. Around 1 AM na kasi ngayon. So, may makapagstayhan tayo kasi medyo malayo din yung city and wala na yung train. So, we decided na mag-book na lang kami ng accommodation near the airport. Mga one night, overnight lang talaga kami para naman kapag-rest tayo ng bonggang-bongga. Tapos, what we love about it kasi is free pick up siya sa airport at saka free breakfast tayo bukas. So, di ba, good deal siya. Tapos, nakuha lang namin around 1,000 pesos yata. So, guys, if you are looking for a accommodation near the airport, I highly, highly suggest that. So, later on, mag-room tour tayo. Ayan, let's go! Ayan, so gate 3, we here. So, ayan guys, nasa labas na kami. And we are waiting na lang sa aming free pick up! Yay! So, medyo mainit ngayon. We're here. Outfit check pala guys. Wearing white shoes, white jeans, tapos pink na long sleeve. May pagka-pinkish na long sleeve. Tapos guys, ang init! Grabe! Napifeel ko na yung init. Woo! Laban. So, right now, it's already 1:21 AM. So, kanina pala nung na-mention ko na time is, so Pinas pala yun. So right now, it's currently 1:21 AM Bangkok time. I don't know if you guys could see it. So, ayan na guys, ang ating free pick up. Yay! Good evening. Good evening. Hey, let's go!
How many people?
2. Yan. So, ito yung name ng hostel natin, guys.
Ladies first. Hey,
Thank you. Hey besties, so ayan, nakapag-check-in na kami. Pero, tomorrow na lang ko kayong i-room tour. And right now, it's currently almost 2 AM. So, 1:42 AM na. So, mas maganda if bukas na lang tayo mag-room tour. And ngayon, baka na lang kami. Midnight snacks sa Family Mart or sa 7-Eleven nearby. Meron naman dyan sa malapit lang. So, check namin yan. Tapos, after that one, matulog na para tomorrow marami tayong energy. So, yan. Yan muna. Bye! Tomorrow na lang tayo mag-room tour. Buyers!
Bye.